Speech on World Health Day. Respected teachers, dear friends and guests, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to all of you. Today I am here to say a few words on a very important occasion, World Health Day, celebrated every year on 7th April. The purpose of this day is to raise awareness about health issues and to remind us how important it is to live a healthy and active life. Health is truly wealth. If we are healthy, we can study well, work hard, and enjoy life. This year's theme is Insert Latest Theme, e.g., My Health, My Right, which reminds us that everyone has the right to good health, rich or poor, young or old. Let's take a moment to promise ourselves to eat healthy food, to exercise regularly, to avoid junk food, and to take care of our mental and emotional health too. Remember the quote, "A healthy outside starts from the inside," Robert Urich. So let's take our health seriously and help others around us to stay healthy and happy too. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay happy.